Imagine working in a place like this, sipping coffee, controlling your own time, making real income from your laptop. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me show you exactly how it can become your reality. This book right here is a complete guide to building a successful career as a virtual assistant, even if you're starting from zero experience. It teaches you how to identify your skills, package them professionally, build a strong portfolio, and confidently reach out to clients who are ready to pay for your services. The best part? It includes actual email templates for pitching clients, step-by-step onboarding instructions, pricing strategies, time management systems, and real examples of tasks VAs do every day, like scheduling, email management, social media support, research, and customer service. Thousands of companies today are hiring virtual assistants remotely because they need help more than ever, and the industry is growing insanely fast. People who use this system are already earning between $10 to $25 per hour from home, part-time or full-time. Just picture yourself replacing your monthly salary or earning extra income without commuting, without long hours, without burnout. Working from your favorite coffee shop, traveling, or staying home with family, while still growing professionally. If that's the lifestyle you want, don't hesitate. Grab your copy of this virtual assistant book today and start your journey toward real financial freedom. Your future self will be so proud you did. Click the link in bio to order your copy now.